Hey everyone, my name is Tanika and I'm from Goa. I've been a part of DSP's client response team for almost 3 years now, and this journey of mine is incredible. The thing that I love the most about the company is the values of honesty, integrity, and customer centricity. The organization is so determined to understand all customer queries and grievances and help resolve them in the most efficient and organized manner. Right from our chairman to all the leaders of DSP Mutual Fund believe that the goal is to focus on adding value to our investors and keep providing them with the best services at all times. Working constantly with some of the best professionals and highly talented people here at DSP has helped me advance professionally as well as develop myself personally. There has been a never-ending guidance and support that I've received from all my leaders and co-workers here that has helped me to keep working harder and also at the same time keep learning and growing. DSP has always taught us to do everything the right way, invest the right way, think extraordinary, and go that extra mile by thinking out of the box. Honestly, DSP is molding me into being this independent, confident person, a person who knows how to invest and manage her money, and at the same time who knows that investment doesn't only mean focusing on a good outcome, but also means investing in the right way and for a longer term. Being a part of DSP and working with such great professionals is indeed a great privilege for me. We at DSP are strong on our values of honesty, integrity, and being customer centric, and also believe strongly in our philosophies of invest for good and do good, be good. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.